Welcome back to Loud But Slow. Got one head on, about to do another. Walk you guys through this one. I didn't feel the need to do two because it's the same on both sides. So, show you some things you need to know before you put studs in your motor. Don't want to do that wrong because that's the head gasket. Go ahead and show you guys this side. They're all tightened down to 70 foot-pounds. We're going to do this side. Head gasket's already on. There's the torque spec per ARP. The pattern, and then you 25 foot-pounds first round, 50 foot-pounds, and then 70 foot-pounds. Okay, a couple things. You want to, ARP has this compound fastener assembly lube. I want to put some of that on the threads that you're going to be putting the nut on. So you got it on the threads. Another thing, their washers have a smooth side and a rough side. Rough side down towards onto the head. Smooth side up onto the nut. That compound, not only are you going to put it on the thread, like these go in like this. So you're going to put it on the thread, the top side. It needs to also go on the bottom side of the nut here. I'll set the phone up and get all those studs in. Do a little time lapse. Okay guys, so another thing you're going to want to do is blow out all of your stud holes. Any debris in there will cause friction and it won't be proper torque.
You never want debris in your stud holes, guys.
That guy that you hear in the background is Brett, the guy I got the motor from. He's working on his Chevy, so you might see him walking inside out in the time lapse or something. Hopefully he'll be in other videos coming up, like the LS swapping his Mustang. But hopefully we'll get to that one day. But yeah, so we're going to blow these out. Okay, so we're going to install the studs. We got the side, the shorter threaded side with the compound on it. Then you got your longer threaded side that goes into the block. So they're going to go in there like this. There is a Allen head on the top of these, not to torque them down. You just need to snug them down. I have a snap-on drill here with a clutch on it that's set very low, so it's not really tightening them, it's just making sure they're all the way down inside the block. And now you want to set this other head on here. You want to make sure that the surface of the block and of the bottom of the head is completely clean of any debris, any old gasket material. So when the head is tightened down, it tightens properly and torques properly.
Hey, you want to hear something crazy?
So,
Last time this front end got rebuilt, I did it when I was 16. It's like coming home.
now when you want to set your washers, remember there is a rough side of the washer and a smooth side. You want the rough side down to make contact with the head. all the nuts, you want to make sure that you put the fastener assembly lubricant. Now you're going to run these down. You're not tightening them, you're just making them make contact with the washer. So when you come through and torque them, you're not spinning them a million times with the torque wrench. Okay, now you're going to come through with the torque wrench and you're going to hit them at 25 foot-pounds for the first round. I go through this all 20 or 10, all 10, sorry, on one side in 25 foot-pounds 2 to 3 times just to make sure that every one of them is at 25 foot-pounds before I move on to my next torque. Okay, we're going to follow the same process and 50 and 70 foot-pounds. So a full round of 50, full round of 70 foot-pounds, and then this head will be torqued. All done. Now both heads are torqued, installed. I don't know if I'll do any more today or not. Just want to get this done because I'll be in class for the next week, so there won't be any more videos the rest of this next coming up week. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. More coming soon. Loud but slow. Out. Okay, another thing you're going to want to do is you want to blow out all of your holes for your studs. If you guys hear any background noise or anything, Brett, the guy I got the motor from, is here working on his Chevy right here.
Hi!
So you guys know any background noise, that's what it is. Anybody walks in front of the camera, the dealership is still open right now. I'm just up here off the clock. So. But you want to make sure you blow out all of your holes for your studs. Don't want any junk down in there. Trying to, you're just going to make all this random noise.
Yeah.
Have to redo this?
Yeah. We'll fix it in post.
You can't fix that. They're not going to be able to hear me if you're slamming on shit over there.
Tired of this.
Me too.
You picked a bad day. You done yet?
I'm waiting for you to be done.
We can just fix it in post.
I'm going to have to redo that because you hit like right mid-conversation.
I know.
Okay. Try again.
Take 2!
Now what you want to do is set the head. You want the top of the block and the bottom of the head where they mesh up to be completely clean. No old gasket, no nothing. Just make sure it's nice and clean so you have good take 3. How would I word that?
Hey, what if we talk in song quotes? Is that copyright?
Probably something against that.
How you gonna name yourself after a gun and have a damn man bun?
Son? Yeah, let's try this again. On the bottom of all these nuts, we're going to put this ARP.
Did you say these nuts?
So these nuts, damn it.
These nuts!
On the bottom of all these nuts, we're going to put some.
Damn!
Son of a bitch!
On the bottom of dude, no, just edit in that video. On the bottom of these nuts.
Okay.
These nuts.